some stuff up. Let's get this music up actually. So yeah, maybe I should keep it on volume 35, just so that I can be heard. Ooh, this also means I get this up. Yep, there's a notification. Oh no, it still says part 1. That shouldn't say part 1, that should say part 2. I thought I updated it. Yeah, there's the... Yeah. Kick it in. Once again. But I'm here to get stuff done. Hold up. Oh, I thought that, oh yeah. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Wait, what? Oh dear. Okay, well I've gotta go get that again. That's not good. No, don't copyright strike me. Boom. Bam. I'm not trying to export. Oh hey, there's that. What is that? Oh cool. Okay, well, that's not what I'm trying to do. I hear myself. I don't want to hear myself. How do I copy the link? I forgot. Is it literally just like... Okay, well... to flip. Save, go back here. Turn it down. No, that's fine. Well, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna crack this open. That's unfortunate. Wow. I've got to do laundry before I get yelled at. sidetracked because my mom wanted me to go do something. Okay. I think before I take that. Bro, what is that song? I didn't like it. Back to my AP. Screw you, College Board. It's like make you like force a decision. Shoot. That's where I plan on going. But my second option is the United States Merchant Marine Academy. Just because... Shoot, I dropped something somewhere. Okay, well... I'm gonna go find it right now. Hamburger. I'm just gonna go here, look at my past mistakes. I might skip past a few, but I'll explain why. And we're gonna go by the earliest submitted date. Go questions. Here. This is basically just because, how do I put this? What did I say? Oh yeah. Basically, I just forgot that integer casting would like occur. Basically, I mean, I think you know what that is, just because, hold on, I'm gonna turn this down. Too loud. Okay. Integer casting, I already know this, but basically, as long as it's kind of like a finalized value or some sort, and it's like being casted to an integer, not even being casted, like it just automatically resorts to an integer. It's when you try to make a double value into an integer value without like, or no, I guess it would be like if you were to create an integer variable and then put a double value into it, that's when it would give you an arithmetic exception. Next. Second one, what was this? And then here, I guess it also... I also seem to forget about how certain things would, like, I'm gonna put this. Oh yeah. I forgot. Oh no, I guess I wasn't thinking here. It was a while ago. This is just something that I feel like I know now though, because like, this, of course, it's gonna go to 0, and then +1, easy. Back, because I don't want to waste more time. What about this? I got one thing wrong. Where was that? It was here. Something. Oh yeah. Forgot. With an object value of null. Yeah, so this... I already know that it sort of depends. I feel like I want to be shown... Oh no, it tells you here, create some... Yeah, it has a default value, but if you just do this, then... Magic. It's null. Wow, nothing. It kind of sucks to like go over stuff that you already know for the most part, but like I can't be too sure. Or like I just want to go back. Oh, this is De Morgan's laws. This was a logic. Ban him. Ban that man. He's not even a man. He's a bot. Marston, give him the crispy guy treatment. Oh. Fine, I'll give him the crispy guy treatment. Be gone! Alright. This was a logical error on my bad, or my part. Nothing too big of a problem, though. Okay. Here. Here, I kind of forgot about the fact that this right here is the same thing as this, but these two are not the same. This would have to be 102. So, yeah. And then this is the equal then thing, so that is basically 102 times. But looking back again, it was just another logic error when I was just taking the test. It's not that I didn't know it, it's just that my brain just didn't do it. And I think the same thing happened here. I've gotten much better at tracking, like, through loops, like, to see what would happen, and I'm gonna have more than enough time to do that on paper. So I think I'm good for that part. Then we move on to here. I got like one thing. Oh shoot, there's like a third one. Hold up. What is that? Oh. Yeah, no. Just another logic issue on my fault. Or my part. Heated 5 was like, I forgot. like exactly what it was about. Oh. What's this? How did I not? How did I not see? I'm pretty sure it's like. Oh. Oh yeah, this is just a problem on my part because I also needed to pay attention to these. Okay. Now we go 6, and this is probably one of the worst ones. Change array with the for loop. It's another logic error. Why? I forgot what I was gonna ask, or say, or whatever. So basically, I just have to like work these out in my head, and on paper. So I'm just gonna skip past that actually. In all honesty, this is a retake. We ignore that. What is this? Which one was this about? It's array list methods. I don't think I had any trouble with array lists other than like tracking through stuff in my head. I did 10 out of 10 on that. Now what about this? Because there's a few things that I got wrong here. I thought I put this. Oh, wait. Never mind, I did put that. I actually remember reading through that. I think I looked at this and then I just didn't click it. I forgot. That's not good. Okay. Down here. So this is where we start to get into the more like the actual mistakes, because something that I don't know. I think. Because I wasn't super clear. So there's line 1. I forgot. Oh yeah. Why didn't I put that? Why did I put this and not this? That makes sense. If it's not declared, then okay, so if something is declared as one thing, but then you call a method that belongs to its subclass, you cannot use the subclass. Okay, that's actually, I don't know why I didn't know that. So declaring something will make you unable to use anything that belongs to its subclass. So that's actually something that's really good to know. No, no. Hold on. Oh, but third can use its super class, though. Okay, never mind. So what is this? I think this is the fourth one that I got wrong. Why? Why did I put this... Why did I put this here? Oh my god, I was stupid. I didn't even read through it, I just saw, okay, 2 string here, 2 string here. I click this and I'm gone. It was that, I'm pretty sure that was my thought process behind that, or... That's stupid. Oh, no, this one's also wrong. This, I'm still trying to figure something out. So, I don't think I even looked at this. Oh, shoot. Variable 1 is equal to variable 2's dot, or variable 2's length. Bro, I didn't even look at this one. That's why. Yeah, look, you have to pay attention to the small stuff every time. Okay, you know what? That's great. I'm glad I covered a few of those things, and I forgot some things, and I'm now remembering them. So we don't need to do that. Post test. Oh, okay. Hold on. Had to take a sip. So we go here, and then we go. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Okay, well, we'll start from 11 and we'll finish everything. Actually, it's I am now an N, not A intermediate, it's N intermediate. I am now an intermediate programmer. I don't strongly agree. gosh, the delay's terrible. Is it? Hold on, I'm watching to see. Oh my god, yeah, no, the delay is absolutely garbage. That's terrible. I'm gonna start. Sequential, so that's linear. It's not C or D. Or no, it's not C or D. Shoot. De Morgan's law. So, it is not the equivalent of C or D. I'm gonna say that's the equivalent. Shoot, truth table. 1, 2, 1, 2. So true, true, false, false. Or this is the final thing. True, 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 false, 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 true. So this would be true, 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 true. But because of the not, it would be false, false, true, false. And that's if those two are false, so... I wish I had scratch paper with me. True, true. True, false, false, false. False, true. True, true, false, true. Because of the not, it would be false, false, true, false. Let's do C and D. So, true, 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 false. Already, this is false. So now, what about not C, not D? So true, true. So this would be false, false. No, no. True, true. Shoot. Oh. So the first one is true, 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 false, 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 true. Because the not, that would be false, false, true, false. And then for this one, not C. So true, 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 false, or actually false, 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 true, 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 false. Okay. That's it, that's it. Encapsulation. Not the vocab. Okay. Yeah. Whenever A has a value, it should be whenever A has a value that is negative. Because this is, well, AK, so if A has a value larger than temp, or whenever A includes a value that is equal to 0, so it's when multiplying it, does nothing to change it or increase the number's value positively, but if it's 0, then that doesn't really happen. So it would be 0. Okay. Because x will equal 0, no matter what. Like, if it's, okay, so basically, we have this. It's equal to negative x. And then we have x is equal to 0, otherwise. Well, the only two explanations would be if, or the only two possibilities would be x is equal to 0, in which case there would be no need to set it to 0, or if x is less than 0, which then it will be set to 0. So that's right. Is it? Oh, what the flip is this? Okay. Okay. So it would be 0 in index 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, and 2. 0, 1, 2. Yeah, and then for here you would set 3 to 4, so 1, 2, 4. And then you would add a new one at 2, so shoving the 4 to the right, 1, 2, 5, 4. So it would be 1, 2, 5, 4, 6. then we have all of the above. Those are all good reasons. So, if x is greater than or equal to 0, x mod 10, so it prints out x mod 10. And then if x divided by 10 is not equal to 0, okay. So this tells you the remaining digit. Okay, so you basically put in a bunch of digits. Okay. Wait, what? Wait a flippin' minute. It never actually changes the value. What the flip? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it prints out the thing. And then it goes to the if comparison, and because this divided by 10 does not equal 0, it runs the thing again. It's infinite recursion. A and B after the loop finishes. Oh no! Okay. T is just declared. So T is now, first run through, T is equal to A. So T is now 10, or A is 10, B is 3, T is 10. And then A is now equal to I, which is 1, plus B, which is 3. So that would mean A is now equal to 4. And then B is equal to T minus I, so 9. B is now equal to 9. So T is 10, A is 4, B is 9. Second run through. Shoot. I can't, hold on. Because I literally cannot do this without, I can't do that in my head. I'm already doing the work stream. Second run through, T is now equal to 4. A is now equal to 2 plus 9. So 11. And now T's what? No, B. B is now equal to T minus I, which would be 4 minus 2. So B is now equal to 2. Third run through. T is now equal to 11. A is now equal, no. A is now equal to 3 plus 2, which would be 5. And B is now equal to T minus 3. So that would be 10, 9, 8. So I is now equal to 4. T is now equal to 5. A is now equal to 4, so 12. And b is now equal to t minus I. So b is now equal to uno. Octopus. Nathan, you weren't here to ban the guy earlier in the stream. There's a bot. I had to give him the crispy person treatment from 7 Days to Die. If you know, you know. Oh yeah, I is now equal to 5. Oh shoot. My bad. I'm gonna be a stereotypical employer of minimum wage workers, and I'm gonna say that you're fired. Anyways, t is now equal to 12. A is now equal to what? 5 plus 1. A is now equal to 6. B is now equal to 12 minus 5, which would be 7. Final run through. T is now 6. A is now 13. Oh, it's the final run through. There's only like one thing. I'm not wasting the rest of the time. Lost train of thought. Oh yeah. What is printed when it's executed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you'll loop the entire thing, like through everything. And then index plus plus, because apparently they're too stupid to use compound operators. Text substring. Index and then index plus 2. Goes to the thing before, and then plus 1 would be the length, which would be the maximum. Okay, cool. Is that it? Yeah. No it won't. No it won't. No it won't. My bad, broskies. Because actually, it's less than, which means this will stop at -2. So we're good, actually. But that's a problem. This is inclusive, this is exclusive, so it's really inclusive index and index plus 1. So it would be like 1, 2, and then 2, 3, and then 3, 4, and then 4, 5, and then 5, 6. One, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, and then 5, 6. But it doesn't do any for. Dude, it's not. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Actually, no. It's 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, and then 9, 10. Get out of here. You're fired. Why does your thing is changing? Your like color, your like chat color. var1, var2. Well, var2 is not equal to 0, and well, var1 divided by var2 is greater than 0. Wait. No, it won't. Will it? Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, it automatically casts to an integer. So... oh, shoot. Hold on. I have to tell Nicholas Castro about stream. So that way... I have to tell Nicholas Castro about the stream so that he can hopefully forgore. I don't even know if I have the right number, in all honesty, because he, like, never responded. But, I'm back. I'm not. var1 divided by var2. Oh, okay, so 0 divided by 2 is greater than 0. Shoot. This is division by 0, not division of 0. So the first time around, it goes to 1 and 1. And then 1 divided by 1. So it should just flip the values. Lava chicken. The delay is probably really bad. Yeah, so I'm just gonna say that this flips the value. It paused. Why did it pause? It literally doesn't do anything. I have to get a different thing. Susan is 5 years older than Matt. Bro, what? Okay. Pretty sure Matt isn't even born yet. But I'm guessing that, it wants me to say right now, like in the present of the thing. So, yeah, if Susan is equal to Matt minus 5, and, oh, if Susan is equal to Matt plus, wait a minute, yeah, if Susan's equal to Matt plus 5 and Susan, or plus 3, is equal to, no, why they gotta do this to me? I'm guessing that they're talking about Matt's age now. Okay. Nathan Schultz. Would you agree with the objective opinion of Lakers in 5? No? Dang. If Rose less than Cole. 2, and then if row is greater than column. So 0, 0, so it should start off with what? No, it's 0, 0, so they're equal, so it should start off with 2. Then it will be 0, 1, so row will be greater than, and obviously there's 3 elements, 4 rows, or 4 columns, or 3 rows, 4 columns. Wait. Yeah, 4 columns in each row. I don't even know what you said. Oh, that's unfortunate. I don't know what that means. That's unfortunate. What will be the value of S1 after this exercise? Okay, well let's see if this gets changed at all. Yeah, no, nothing flipping changes, buddy. Okay, next, free question. That was free. LeBron isn't retired? I can't believe LeBron isn't retired. Public static void test. Int num equals 0 while num is less than or equal to 14. If num mod 3 equals 1, print 1. If mod 3 is... Okay. So from 0 to 14... If it's mod... So it will be 0, it would be 1, it would be 2, and then it would be 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Oh, it's plus 2. Oh, shoot. Okay. 0, and then 2, and then 1. 0, 2, 1. And then it would be 0. Goes 4. No? No, yeah, 4 goes to 6. That's mod 3. So that's 0, major 0. And then it would then 6 to 8 would be 2. And then 8 to 10 would be 1. So yeah, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 1. Or no, 0, 2, 1. Yeah, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 1. 0, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. So it has to be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Though, how am I supposed to know? Aww. Should return 3. Because there's this. Int target. I don't know, probably not, but I have APCS. Oh wait, you know that. Literally dying. If nums k is equal to the target. Hold on. never mind. If len count is greater than the max length is equal to length count. I don't know why they did this. Nothing else. I mean, they could have just written an if else, but they're writing this for the sake of being confusing. No shot all the trees grew. That's crazy. How long did that take? Nathan, I should harvest them because I have the seed thing. Oh, Marston, my bad. Sent Imga in disc. Wow. Oh. If it's equal to the target. Oh. Oh, but it never resets the length count, though. Shoot. Yeah?
I'm gonna be in a meeting, so please take care of it all.
Okay. I don't know what to do. M1 and A is minus A1, 2. A1 minus. Wow. So it's just A1 minus, so it's just -1. Because this is just the return value. So it will just be 2. Chores. Yeah, my mom's texting me to do chores. I gotta get sleep though. 93 or above is an A. 93 or above, so 93 inclusive. 84 to 92 inclusive is a B. Good. Less than, also good. This works. This also works. Right there. No, wait! No, it doesn't. Because it's A, and then it assigns also B, and then it assigns C, and then F. And the same goes for this. Oh, you instantly recognized it. 93. There's no none options, so I'm gonna save myself some time and say only 3, because the other two won't work. Unless it's like an F. Yeah. Because what happens here is if it's an A, then it also gets a B, and a C, and an F. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. I stand corrected 1 and 3. Correctly update the time. I wrote something like this. Oh, God. There we go. Terraria. Oh, gosh. Method 1, print A, and then you go method 2, and then it prints B. Cool. But then you go here, and if you do method 1, it goes to super. For this part, Uno. Then it goes from super. I don't know, I think so. Hey, look. Look at this. So remember that. Watch me get a 5. Watch me get a 5. I actually felt really confident about all these answers. I'm not even joking. Anyways. Oh shoot, you distracted me. Method 1, then it goes to here, it prints A, goes to method 2, but it doesn't go to this method 2, it goes to this method 2. But actually, yes it does, it goes to this method 2, so it prints B. And then after that, because it's finished, it prints D, so A, B, D. And then, when this is all finished, it prints C, so A, B, D, C. Oh, no way! Was I right? A, okay. C and D, or E and E. That's 2 for 2. Nathan, 2 for 2. 2 for 2. Oh, that's 2 for 3. Okay, but this is good. Private. What the flip? What the flip? That doesn't make sense, but that's a language. That's like a vocab issue. I'm just a big dumb guy. Okay. I just wanted to make sure I submitted that. So that's 2 for 3. That's that. That is 3 for 4. What? Huh? If it's greater than 0. Oh, shoot. Oh. I thought I was asking for like this. Okay, that's just me not thinking. That's me not double checking. You see, this is why you have to double check your work. So I'm currently 3 for 5. I'm 4 for 6. 5 for 7. Huh? But that doesn't... But that doesn't make sense, you see, because it never updates the values. No. Run that back. Hold up. Okay. But that doesn't... No. Nuh-uh, what? No, because it just says x divided by 10 is greater than 0, but they never changed the value of x. It will continue to call this, right? Like, even if this winds up doing other stuff... Oh, it's not while. Wait, no. Hold up. That's tricky. That's a tricky one. So x, let's say, yeah, this. And then it prints out x mod 10, so the remainder, that would be 4. And then if x divided by 10 is greater than or equal to 0, and then it prints out or no, if no, just not 0. Then it prints out that again, which leads to this. Oh shoot. That depends on the thing that comes before. Or the 5 would be that, and then it would be mod, and then it would keep going. Okay, I need to pay attention to that next time. So that's -3. Okay. 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 Oh. Oh. That's a basic math problem. -4. Okay. So this is getting a little spooky. No. Please somebody at least get the rest right. I do get the rest right. Shoot. I barely get, like, I almost make it into a 5. Hey, but that's good though, that's good. Because I have extra time. I was low-key rushing myself on stream. And I'm aware. Yeah, I'm aware of some of my flaws now. I'm not gonna lie, like, when I was given this, twice Matt's age, I would have gotten a 4. Oh no. Wait, what? How does it go from 15 to 65 and then, oh yeah. Bro, I would have gotten a 4. Because I got a 75%. Four is good, it's really good. But I want a 5. Not timed. Yeah. De Morgan's Law. So the knot goes to both of these things. Oh no. Huh? And so let's just say that this goes to true and true. So true, 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 false, 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 true. Only this would be true, the rest would be false, except this would be false and the rest would be true because of this funny thing here. This would be false and the rest would be true. So it would have to be not. Yeah, it would have to be not this, and this would be changed to an or, remove the outer thing. So not condition 1 or not condition 2. So not condition 1 or not condition 2. What the flip? Did I not do that? Oh shoot, it's because of this stupid thing here. I need to look. I need to, like, actually look. I don't want to waste all my brain power and time, though, because I also have to look at a push. So, not. It would be that. The only reason this thing flipping got me is because it had these there. And these conditions did not match these conditions. I wasn't looking. Should have been looking. Mystery 4 return. And then else return 3. What the flip? Return 3 times. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no, it's just power. Or you're cubing. No. You're raising 3 to the power of whatever's in here. So 3 times 3. So 3 to the power of 4, so that would be 81. Insertion sort. I forgot what an insertion sort is. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. Loop 1 passes. Oh dear. Equals 0. 0, 1, 2. Loop 2 passes. Loop 3 does not pass. So 1 and 2. Oh my god, bro. I don't want to do all that. I'm not even gonna lie. Just put me onto the timed part. not timed. Okay. Schultz, this is where we lock in. You see, this is actually harder. Cause one, I don't get extra time, and two, I don't got a scratch piece of paper to write on and do the crazy stuff with, so I have to like do it all in my head. What's the output when it was 5? Else, aw, are you? Wait. This 10 plus? Huh? A minus 1. Yeah, it's 50. Multiplying it. What will the following code print when it is executed? J equals 1, J equals something negative 3. What the flip am I saying? What am I doing? I don't know. J plus plus. Oh no, wait. So this happens 3 times. That also happens 3 times. Okay, that's really, really fun. Okay. So for 1, it'll be 1 times 2 times 1, 2, 3, and it'll be 2, 4, 6, and it'll be 3, 9. 3, 6, 9. Ugh. Two times 2. 4, and then 8, and 16. Oh, are you kidding me? 16. And it would be 32, 64, 128. Oh shoot, I spaced out. And 3 equals 2 and 1. So 1 and 2 pass, and 3 is equal to 2. That passes. 1, 2, and 3. What about 4? Int 1, it's not equal to int 2. But int 2 is equal to int 3. Okay, they got lazy with that one. They got really flippin' lazy. 1, 2, 3, and 5. I don't know. I'm putting that specific video on loop. Actually, I've got to do this. Here's the link. One, two, two, three, 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 four, 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 five, five, five. No, because it prints 0 next. I don't know about favorite, but it's what fits the situation the most. 1, and then there's... Oh, no, because then it just... Okay, that's stupid. What about 3? Nope, can't have equals I. Oh, wait a minute. Nope, can't have that either. I will not be having fun. I forgot. Who are you? I don't think I've seen you before. Yeah, first time. Are you Mr. Kerr, as Nathan Marston calls you? Oh, no, you aren't. Okay. Hello. AP exams. Right now I'm doing a practice test. It's kind of harder because I have ADHD, and I get extended time on the actual test, but not this, as well as scratch paper. But I think I'm fine even for this one. Nice to see you here. I forgot. 051423. Actually, no. 2 gets set to 2, so 542. Then you add, so 5412, and then 0. 54120. I do believe. Hold on. I just realized I don't think I pinned that message. That's just there, like, for the study music. This is not in the playlist, if you're wondering. But basically, that's like one of the songs in the playlist. It's an extended version. I showed the link on screen, so I don't think. I don't know, because I got copyright striked on my YouTube channel one time, but it was before I started doing all this. Legal for the named point club. Oh. Named point. My name. So legal. As in they won't put in null. Oh shoot. I mean, I guess you could do. Thank you. Hollow Knight's nice. I forgot. Hollow Knight is nice. Oh shoot. Honestly, like right now, this is the least of my concern out of all my AP classes. Right now, I'm just taking the practice exams, make sure that I polish up on a few things, make sure I know everything that I need to know, because I can spend. I don't want to say spend time, but I got a 4 on one of the practice ones. But that was because I missed one question. Goodness. I just have to make sure. I don't know what they mean by legal. I just assume that. Oh. Yeah, right now, I'm gonna assume that by legal, these people mean that you can just do it without making an error. So, in that case, it should be 1 and 3. Because you do. Yeah, you can make a 1 and 3 or put in 1 and 3 and have that be fine. questions, I'll be here to ask or answer. Goodness, I forgot. Incomplete class declaration. Code segment will work as intended. Yeah, but if you have any questions, hopefully I can help you, and if I can't help you, then I've found something that I might need to look into, so it's a win-win for the both of us if you decide to ask questions about this, as long as they're, like, serious. If you're still on stream. What are they asking again? Replace missing expression. Where is that? Oh. Oh my goodness. That's there. Time record objects. Time cards. Oh. So it should be total.advanced time card. Yep. Get hours, get minutes. Oh, well that's easy. Yeah, total.advanced time cards K, get hours, time cards K, get minutes. Get hours and get minutes. Yeah. That was an easy question. Good old sequential search. Missing code. Name, phone number. Oh, spaced out. Replace missing code here. Goodness. This dot name the name. This phone number. Constructor. That's the get name. Get. Extended. Oh, that's not bad. It's literally just a call to the superconstructor. So it would be... Yeah. Name, phone number. Name, phone number. Perfect. 5. Easy. Huh? Sequential search. It is in the array. Inheritance. Methods designed for all the above. no, not another one of these. Oh, wait. What is in A1 and 1A? So it only alters it here. So this literally doesn't matter. It's just this. This is the only thing that is altering this. So it would just be this minus 1, which would be 2. And I'm pretty sure I actually... Yeah, I know, I got this question right on one of the other practice tests that I did. A and B after the for loop finish. Oh no, not this again. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. I remember this. Yeah, because T and A. 10, 1, so A is now 14, B is now, B is now 7, and then second run through, A is now, shoot, I forgot, oh yeah, T is now 4, A is now 2 plus 7 is 8. A is now 9. B is now... Shoot, I don't know. I remember this though. Oh gosh, okay, I have to mute, my mom's calling. I really hope my mom isn't mad at me now. She, called me and she was mad. Saying something along the lines of I didn't read her text. What string is referenced by S1? S1 never changes, so it's just hi there. What value is in the sum after the code executes? Call? -2. So 1 would be the final one, and then 2 would be the second to last one. Rows less than 4? So it just adds up the third element in every single row. So 2, 4, 7, 8. What are the contents of MAD after the code segment has been executed? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, wait, that's not that bad. So it should start off with 2. And then row is then going to be more than column, so it's going to go to 3. Okay. 3 and 4. So 3 rows, 4 elements each. Okay. Initialize to be greater than 0. That is a type of... I've done this before. It's, well, it's supposed to be multiplying up. Yeah. Greater than 0. Yeah, because if it's 0, and if it's less than 0, it does nothing to go gain a more or larger positive value. It's not that hard. Oh no. Three, -2. So if 3 is greater than 0 and 2 is greater than 0. So if 3 is greater than 0 and 2 is greater than 0, which it is not, then it goes here. If 2 is less than 0 or 1 is less than 0, so this will go out. So this will print out C. Because it's OR and all of this is else, like if-else statements, so yeah. Okay, let's go back. That will multiply. Shoot, what? So this will go from 1 to 3, this will go from 1 to 3. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, this is good. I don't even need to see anymore. Yeah, and then 3, 6, 9. Okay, I did need to see more. This is powers of 2. So whenever you get something like this, a recursion program like this, it's multiplication, like, because basically what happens is that, although it's not altering it, it happens one time, like, when you run this through. And eventually you get 10 at number 1, then you get plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, so it goes all the way until, like, the value here reaches 1. So it would be 1, so it would be 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. If that makes any sense. And then for here, same thing happens except you're multiplying. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So these are 2 to the power of 7 is 128, right? Yeah, it is, okay. Is it though? 2, 4, 6. I'm autistic. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. 128, okay. And then I have utmost confidence about that one. Sequential, obviously fits the first in the array. This should return and false. Only one answer is here, so I can just double check this answer. It's supposed to print out 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. Go back to here. Okay, so this goes from 1 to 5. Great. This gets set to this. Not the best, but as long as it's greater. Like, it's not the best sign initially, but you just have to look at the program. You see this? It only prints I. It doesn't matter what J is, as long as J does it I amount of times, which is easily done through ta-da! That's correct. What about this? So 0, 5, 1, 4, 2, 3, set 2 to 2, add 2 to, or add 1 to 2. So it is now 5, 4, 1, 2, and then 0. So 5, 4, 1, 2, 0. Perfect, that's correct. Here I assumed by legal, they just meant that the constructors, as long as you can get it through without making an error or setting something to null, this would have an error because you can't access these from subclasses without like certain methods. It doesn't matter, you can't. You can access methods though, which is why super here. So this question's right. This is a tricky one, but there's only one. It can be used, so there's only one right answer. So for every time cards thing in there, right, this is what it asks. For every time record. And then the total here. Yeah, here. So I said total.advance. So essentially, here you have this. It's fine. Oh, wait. I mean, technically it's right. Because it adds that, but there's code that's missing there. But anything else just wouldn't work. It would have to be total and total. And then, obviously, you can't... Yeah, this is right. This is right also. And then here, like, nothing else was calling super the right way. This is also very clearly the right answer. Similar to what you see on the APCSA. This is right. I know that for a fact. That's right. this only alters this, like here. This doesn't matter. It's in the it's talking about what's in here, and you would subtract that by 1 here. That's right. Okay. Okay. So let's do... So t is now equal to 10, a is now equal to 1 plus 3, so 4, b is now equal to t minus I, so 9, I is now equal to 2, t is now equal to 4, a is now equal to 11, b is now equal to 2. I is now equal to 3. T is now equal to 11. A is now equal to 5. B is now equal to T minus I. Yeah. So B is now equal to 8. I is now equal to 4. T is now equal to 5. A is now equal to 12. B is now equal to T minus I, so 1. I is now equal to 5. T is now equal to 12. A is now equal to 6. Yeah. B is now equal to T minus I, so that would be 7. I is now equal to 6. T is now equal to 6. A is now equal to B plus I, which is 13. B is equal to T minus C. So B equals 0. Looks right. Next. This doesn't get altered whatsoever, so it still has the high there, and it's referenced basically means like, okay, what value does this hold? Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure that's what they're asking. Okay, here. So matrix. No. Oh crap. Did it just automatically try to shut down? Oh, that sucks. Okay, I don't care about Steam. What? No, that's not... I wasn't finished. But okay. So that happened. Your answers have been recorded. Okay. That's a shame. I didn't get to... That's scary. You know what? I don't know. I think I'm gonna, like, chill. Oh, wait. No, because I've gotta... One note. Okay, well, I'm not even gonna write that down. Because writing it down takes forever. I'm trying to get this to work again. Well, 2 hours, 26 minutes into the stream, and finished taking some of the AP practice exams. I find it kind of dumb that you can't. There's no like review thing unless. Oh yeah. Oh thank you. I'm kind of upset. Yeah, I took I took the second like exam. Nathan, I took the second practice exam and it like just didn't tell me what I got. But I went back and double checked all my answers, but I still don't know if I'm right or wrong for all of them. So, I figured that my initial plan was to, like, if I had to sacrifice sleep, but, like, for APUSH, but I don't think I want to do that, just because of the fact that I have to take an AP exam tomorrow. And if I'm sleep deprived, I'm not going to be up to my best ability. So this is the post-test. Oh no, you can't lie. Why can't you? You have to press finish exam and then it doesn't show you anything. No. That's it. That's it. trying to figure this out. Because these stupid, it won't tell me my results. I accidentally hit the power button. And then it finished the test for me. Oh! Oh! I'm cracking the code. I'm figuring out what their stupid programming is so that I can find which of my answers were correct. Goodness. So, how does it tell me? That's their... Okay. 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 Yo, Nathan. 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 Are you still here? I just cracked their code. I cracked their code. I figured out all the answers that they have. It's marked by this, like, alert success thing. Right here. So, alert. But I have to, like, unbox everything. So, I'm gonna get my answers to see if I'm actually right. I have to unfurl everything, though. So it does look like... Hold on. Back up here. Field set / field set. It's under get on submit. So it's like here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's just there to mess with people. Don't think that serves any purpose. That's just there to see or to mess with people looking through the code. These fools. They think abstracting their code using complex programs is going to be enough to keep me away from your answers, your secrets. Little do you know is that my code was so complicated that Mr. Howman had to take way too long to grade my stuff. This will not stop me. Oh. I have to unfurl everything, though. That's annoying. Or, hold on, because this is actually a little bit ops too. Component ready switch container tab index 5. What is that? 11-1. English 14. Oh, hold on. I want to see if they numbered this. Oh no, but I'm merely just editing that. So I've got to hope that that says index 5. Field set. So there's this here. So there's op 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not I'm not dealing with this. Where's the 15? Okay. So there's a minor problem. It does seem like it requires an input that I need to find elsewhere, which could be a lot. Navbar header. Collapse. Drop down. So that means oh, that's the settings stuff. That is still the normal stuff. Post test permalink to this heading. So that's not there. That is the button though. What is the ID? Oh shoot, these aren't there to be messing with people. No, they're not. These are here for the question numbers. And 20. Oh. Oh. Public crap. Oh shoot, it's in the click pointers thing. gotta go all the way back. I don't want to wait for my stuff. I want to know what I got. So this is what's displaying. That is the thing. So this is what? That's a script. That's an HTML script. Which means internal. Images, 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 images. Bro, I want to know what I got. I didn't copy nothing. Blame Kentucky. So let's try going to Chrome. Because it looks like there's practice stuff. I don't know if I want to put that in on stream. So here's the thing though. I just need to find a way. I need to find a way to get this to reference something else. If I do 15. Oh, that doesn't change. I don't know if there's anything I can do to change this. I would have to like find a way to inject like a DLL. And personally, I don't know if I want to mess around with Tamper Monkey and all that stuff. Because this just shows you what's in the thing. That's all the additional. How much practice do they want you to do? That's recent. Why can't they do this? Why can't they give that? I don't want to have to wait until the 8th. Because if I have to wait until the 8th, then that's going to be after the exam thing. What the flip is hidden files? Oh. If I show my name like that, I mean, I'm not sure what exactly they're supposed to do with it. I'm a ghost on social media. Other than this, they know my email, but I can just, I don't know, not be stupid enough to click on a link that gets sent to me. If I really feel like the link is shady, but I also kind of need to see if it's legit, I can load it up in a VirtualBox engine. Dude, I don't think... Yeah, no, so it is... I would have to find a way to be able to click the buttons. I don't know if I want to spend the next 30 minutes trying to figure that out, though. There's the label for it. Here. I did it, 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 Nathan, I did it. Nathan, I did it, I did it. I did it, I did it, I did it. Okay, so this is post-test. 1 for 1, 2 for 2, oh my god. Oh, that's amazing. 1 for 1, 2 for 2. Oh, wait, what? Post-test, or is this the thing? Is it? I don't know. No, I don't remember. remember doing the encapsulation thing. Yeah, no. So look, I have to go to... Yeah, I'm gonna share with the group, definitely. But first, let me see. Here? Practice exam 1. We have already taken this exam. Well, screw you. 'Cause... I... am too smart for this nonsensical... I mean, I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but... I don't feel like dealing with this. I want to know what I got. Display. Hold on. I'm gonna display all. What is this? Oh no! Oh, this person looks like they kind of know. Oh, is this code different? Wait. Oh. Oh. I did it again. I did it again. I did it again. Yo, sick. Okay, Nathan. Let's see how well I did. Let's see how well I did on the practice exam. So 1 for 1, 2 for 2, 3 for 3, 4 for 4, 5 for 5, 6 for 6, 7 for 7, 8 for 8, 9 for 9, 10 for 10, 11 for 11, 12 for 12, 13 for 13, 14 for 14, 15 for 15, 16 for 16, 17 for 17, 18 for 18, 19 for 19, 20 for 20, 20 for 20. Nathan, I'm 20 for 20. I'm 20 for 20, Nathan. I've got to show Logan this. I'm gonna teach him. I'm 20 for 20, dude. Let's go. What time in the stream is this? 3 hours. Oh, shoot. I don't think Mr. Kerr can... Wait a minute, Nathan. Nathan, I can teach Mr. Kerr how to just get the answers to the practice exam. Maybe. Because it doesn't matter. This will always show you the right answer, even if you got this wrong. It doesn't matter. Oh my god, I'm 20 for 20, though. That's a 5. That's a 5. I only need 16 out of 20. Let me see my practice exam or my pre-test score. I'm gonna look at my pre-test score using this. that's a shame. What did I do? What was I trying to do? Oh yeah, because I did index +2 and it was less than. Oh shoot! Wait, Mr. Hellman said the highest somebody got on this was 6. Like 6 right. I want to see if I was that person. I don't think I was. That's none. I don't think I got 6 right. Oh, I got 1 right. I got 2. 3. Oh, yeah, no. Wait, 4? Oh, no. I was not, in fact, the person who got 6 right. I got 4 right, though. That's close. Like, to being the highest, like, on the pretest. But that doesn't matter, because I am now doing this, and I'm literally flipping... Bro, I just cracked the code. Hold on. I'm gonna... I don't know. I'm gonna, like, go back here. Go to the practice exam thing. Let me record, like, for Logan real quick. I think I'm 90% sure I have his number. Nope. Shoot. I found Nick's number, not Logan's. Oh, that's a shame. Bro, I flippin', like, not hacked. Hacking is different. I accessed information that they did not want me to access. Let's put it that way. Maybe they should take classes on abstraction and cybersecurity. Like I did. Oh, that's amazing, though. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I got 20 out of 20 right. Okay, Nathan. Yeah, so this is great. So, I think it's 8:43. I should have been sleeping by 8:30. I'm gonna go to bed. But I will remember this. I'm gonna be telling Logan about this. First thing, I'm gonna have to find it. I'm gonna have to find that man. And then I'm gonna have to be like, yo, check this out, my guy. And then I'm gonna show him how to do it. And then we're gonna be good. Yo, low-key, I feel kind of embarrassed with my pre-test score, though. That was definitely stuff I should have known. But, doesn't matter. I'm getting a 5 on the AP test. Doesn't matter. It's GG's. You know what? I know this sounds bad. But I'm gonna join you in 7 Days to Die real quick. I'm gonna stop the stream. I'm really happy about this. I'm gonna go up tell my mom. I'm gonna be be right back. If you're still here, I will be joining you on the server. I'm ending the stream here though. Yep, easy. GG's easy. Yeah. I'm gonna end the stream. I'm gonna join you on the server, but first I'm gonna let my mom know the good news. So, I'll join you on call like in a bit. I'm ending the stream. Goodbye.